Welcome to the Englishman RV channel. I created this channel for RVers to try and help beginners and others with my experiences, both good and full disclosure, I am not sponsored in any way by the manufacturers of products that I cover. In this video I am going to review the Camco RV screen door crossbar. To install, identify the most convenient height for the handle when inside the RV. Then measure and mark either side of the screen, ensuring the mark is the same height on either side of the door. When I did this, I used duct tape to hold the handle to the screen door frame, then repositioned it until I was happy with the height of the handle for all family members from the inside of the RV, with the screen both closed and open. Once I was happy with the handle position, I checked it was level using a tape measure on both sides of the door from the bottom of the door. Once this was set, I marked the 4 screw holes with a small drill bit to scratch the paint on the screen door. Before removing the handle, I taped the black plastic slides to the bar so that I could drill and screw in the retaining screws on the back of the bar. I then drilled the pilot holes in the screen frame for the screws using the marks I made previously. Be careful when drilling the pilot holes not to go through the screen frame. It is aluminum and very easy to drill through. I marked the drill just short of the frame width to ensure I did not drill through the frame. Finally, I removed the tape and screwed in the 4 screws in through the bar into the pilot holes I drilled in the screen door frame. The only consideration I had when using the handle is that when you are closing the RV door using the screen handle, be very careful as the door is heavy and also the latch on the screen door is often made of plastic. I will use the handle to pull the door almost closed and then use the door lock handle to close it fully. I have not had any issues, but I do feel that you could easily overstress the handle and the screen door catch trying to pull the RV door completely shut using the bar and the screen door. My pros and cons for this product are as follows. The item is reasonably priced, around $25 at Amazon. Makes closing the screen and or the door from fully open very easy. I really don't have any cons. This product has been outstanding. However, please remember my comments about closing the RV door using the bar. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If not, please feel free to go ahead and give it a thumbs down. Please go ahead and subscribe to get notified of any new videos that I release.